Your splitter's gone, man.
Oh, it's gone?
Yeah. I mean...
Oh, yeah, shit.
Anyway guys, we're back and we're going for a spin.
Busy moto in America. He's done 27 years for these, so it'll probably be something from him.
Oh, okay. What's it, is that a map? A remap or anything?
It's had a remap, yeah.
These cars go like really safe, very fast. Really nice, I must say.
Yeah, it's got an easy drive.
It's not too hard, the springs aren't too hard, it rides really nice.
Only thing getting used to at the moment is how wide it is now.
Yeah, because obviously right here you can't really see.
Nah, but
when you look out the window like this, see that fat ass in the back.
Hence why that one's pointing at the floor. So
Yeah, that's true, that's true. I would ask you what you've done to it, but there's so many that you're not going to
Oh, yeah, so it's a lot less. we can go through
Widebody kit.
Yeah, we can go through
All
the
this
list.
laser carbon.
Main stuff really, from if we're looking at the outside, we go in tandem over branches and rear bumper. That's been custom moulded into a GT4 style front bumper with the little side pieces and the sequential indicators. Then I don't know, camera might just about pick it up at the back, but there's then the 993 old 1995 GT2 wing that I've cut up and then moulded onto the rear deck. Yeah, and then it's like a Gram styling blade on top, loaded on H&R suspension with a Tacoma forged wheels. So that's a new company that just been set up in Chippenham. Local company doing forged bespoke wheels, and sort of phoned them up wanting to get them to rebuild some rotor forms, and then in the end they went, actually we're going to make these brand new wheels and we want you to be part of that. like it.
Nah, for you doing, because I've seen some of the pictures on Instagram, like Porsche Cayman for this girl, man.
Yeah, cheers, dude. Yeah.
Doing it all by yourself.
Yeah.
Well,
Man.
obviously you have little helps here and there.
Yeah. The mad thing is, because I've been driving it daily, I've been driving it through all of the bodywork I've been doing. So when so everything in primer and stuff, and people are just looking at you with like little mini wheels and stuff on it.
Oh yeah, with the little
what is
skinny
going
wheels
on?
and a Porsche
Yeah.
cap.
And this lad's driving.
And you tell them they're a YouTube channel as well. Shout yourself out.
Oh yeah, so
Subscribe.
the whole build and stuff's been on my YouTube channel, Top Mods Things.
Yeah.
You can find it either through that link sort of on YouTube or that purple Cayman, as well as my Instagram.
Yeah. Well, the link's gonna be in the description, so check him out, man. It's a mad build.
Yeah, so just showing progress really of kind of all the bits that I've done to it,
Yeah.
even all the issues that I've come about, and just learning from it really. 'Cause, yeah, this is the first wide body that I've done, and there's definitely some things I'll do differently next time.
No, it's a big choice, man. You pull it off. Yeah, it's nice. You know what, I like feeling the exhaust through the seat, like just the vibration of the exhaust.
Well, the engine's right there, like, yeah, literally just in there. So, yeah, that's where it is. Yeah, it's literally behind your head.
I like them vibrations, like, I like the feel of it.
Yeah, because like if you want to change a drive belt, you've got to take both seats out, and then just behind this carpet, you can take a panel off, and that gives
What,
you,
then do you see the engine?
yeah, it gives you whole access to the front, and then you can take the top off, and then it shows you all of the top of the engine as well.
Working on it must be a pain then.
Oh, wow, so crazy thing is actually probably the easiest car I've worked on,
Is it?
because they've engineered it so well that everything that you would need access to, you've got real good access to.
You get access to
Yeah,
it.
there's always a panel that you can take off,
And then it's just
get
all
you
there.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, that's good. That's a good thing. Imagine having to take every single thing off.
Oh yeah, it'll be a
And
nightmare.
then, yeah, that would definitely be a nightmare. Even these little door.
Yeah. So these are a bit of a controversial mod. So they do the Cayman R door pulls, which are very.
So you just pull this.
Yeah. So
Oh,
this
damn,
it
imagine I
acts.
pulled it just
Yeah,
like
yeah.
this.
That opened it. Yeah, Jecto Ceto.
Just pull out the car.
Yeah, so they do them as like an optional extra on the R's, and
Yeah.
this company in the US designed them so that they act just like. Do you want to head back round?
Yeah,
or up there?
some
So they developed them so they were looking just like a normal door pull, but they basically work exactly like a normal one, but they just look like the Cayman R ones.
Ah, okay, so
So
just
it's like an
pull this
aesthetic.
and it opens
Yeah,
there.
yeah, just
so
an
the
aesthetic.
normal one has sort of like a cut out here.
That's it, yeah, and they're just silver with like a little tab.
Ah, it's just better,
just like the look of it.
the little
Yeah,
yellow with the yellow. And these seats are very nice as well.
yeah, these are well comfy. Like, so me,
They are comfy,
me,
they got good padding.
so yeah, me and my old man drove this over to Le Mans in 2018. So that was like a big old journey all the way through France and down the toll roads, and absolutely fine.
See, I like that. You build a car and you drive it. A lot of people just have to sit around.
Oh yeah, it's
And then
like
driving it how it's meant to be driven.
Yeah, exactly. This
I
gets,
mean, they're getting them for no reason.
this gets abused within an inch of its life
Yeah.
all the time.
Poor car.
Yeah. Yeah, I was just thinking what I'm going to do if the engine ever blows up, and it's either you either upgrade it with a much bigger engine out of the 911,
Yeah, I
you
was
get
just
like
about to
their
say
power,
that.
or you put a Tesla as a conversion kit for a Tesla.
When you're a Taycan.
Yeah, so effectively it'll be like a Taycan, yeah, but just in a much smaller package and much quicker.
That'd be a big job.
Yeah.
You're going viral on that one, but it's going to take a lot of money.
Yeah, that's the only thing with that.
I mean, it's always something to do, though, isn't it?
Yeah. Sorry, go.
You know what they're like with these
Never
electric
trust them,
cars.
I think.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so sounds mad.
Funny enough, bikers as well seem to appreciate it.
Yeah.
All the time as well.
Yeah, look, he's looking at one. He's having his little fag. He's like, what is that? slide on you at all?
Yeah, sorry?
Does it ever like slide on you when you sweat at all?
So it used to.
That thing the load, bro. It's gone. Here it is. It's back. Oh, the bit of your splitter's gone, man.
It's gone.
Yeah. No, come and see. No way. Right there. I mean, lucky there's no more that. I don't know. Going too fast, that's why. Nah, what the hell?
Bikes, yeah,
so you can't see nothing.
Me and him next to each other is like perfect match, really.
Yeah.
Modified cars, you're always worried about your neighbours and stuff. Like, oh, I've got loud exhaust, they're going to moan. But actually, the two of us together is perfect because we both kind of understand.
That's good. Yeah, we don't worry about how loud it is.
No.
You got any cats on it?
So it's got high flow. So the manifold's got changed.
Yeah.
Because the original car has 4 cats.
Yeah,
So two for each exhaust.
Mine had 2.
Yeah. So we changed the manifolds, which changed the cats to high flow cats, so 200 cell, and then the rear cats got deleted, and then Infinity just did a straight pipe straight and then to the rear section.
Oh, so the back box.
Yeah.
Nah, it's quite loud. Definitely.
Yeah.
It's quite ear-piercing, but then it sounds good at the same time. So it's a loud, good noise.
Yeah, once it's over 3,000, it's.
But then it has a little sweet point where it's quiet.
But then it has
the
yeah.
It's like 3 different stages of
noise.
Of noise. Yeah. Anyway, thanks for the video.
Yeah, cheers, man. Yeah, cheers. Good to meet you.
Nice meeting you as well, man.
Yeah, absolutely.
No problem.